Hey guys, welcome back. So to apply your lashes, you're going to need some lashes, of course, and these are from Ardell and they're wispies, and these are very natural looking lashes. You're going to need a mascara to brush your lashes in place, and then you're going to need some lash glue, and this is from Duo. This is the white one that dries clear, and of course you're going to need a pair of tweezers to help you, to place your lashes, the falsies onto your lashes. And then last but not least, you're going to need a gel liner to disguise the lash band. Okay, so the reason I've lined my top lash line is so that it can disguise the band of the lash. And you can choose to do it like this, or you can do a wing. So what I'm going to do right now is put some mascara on my lashes, just so that it blends really nicely with the falsies. You can do this before as well as after you've applied your false lashes. So you're making sure that you brush your natural lashes in place, so that when you apply your falsies, it looks, like they're can't find the word. Like they're one. Okay? So now that we've applied the mascara, I'm going to go ahead and take my lashes off of the pack. And you have to be very careful because you don't want to, ruin the lashes. These are some of my favorite lashes. These are some of the lashes I started using first when I started using makeup, because they are so easy to apply. As you can see, the bands are very, very thin, and it's always important for you, if you're learning how to do lashes, to use very thin bands because they're easier to apply. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is make sure that, of course, they do fit my shape. So I'm going to put some glue, which is the Duo lash glue. This is what I use all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash glue. Make sure that you apply enough, especially at the ends, because they're the first places that tend to lift off. So I like to apply a generous amount of glue. Let's finish it. So make sure that you put enough. And I'm going to go ahead and make this tacky for at least 60 seconds. You can blow on it, you can fan it, but if you're going to put it on a client, I would not recommend that you blow on it for hygiene purposes. So you can do it like this if you're going to be putting it on a client's eyes, or if it's for you, you just blow on it. It will help it to dry quicker or get tacky quicker. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for at least 60 seconds. And if it's not tacky enough, the lash will lift off of your natural lashes. So you have to make sure that it's tacky enough, so when you apply it, it doesn't lift off of your lashes. You can count down if you want, but I'm just going to stay here and do this. Okay, so that should be just about tacky. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is to apply the glue on the other lash so that it dries while I'm doing the other one. That's a great way to save time. You can just apply the lash glue on both lashes at the same time, So whilst you're doing one eye, the other lash is drying or getting tacky. I like using this as well because it has this brush applicator, so it's easy to apply the glue. Alright, so let's put this one down, let it dry. Place it right there on my leg. Now this should be tacky enough to apply. So what I'm going to do is use my tweezer because I find it really easy to use a tweezer. So I put the tweezer in the middle like this. Yeah. And then I look down, making sure that I put the lash right in the center, right there, as close as possible to my lash line. Alright, so I set it in the middle, then I'm going to take my time and pull it down like this. And then I do the other end the same way. And I'm going to push it into my own lash line so that nothing is peeking out. So I think that's on. So you see, with the liner up there, you can't really see the lash band. So this is why I recommend that you can use powder as well, because it will disguise the band of the lash. So that's what one lash looks like on. Okay, so I'm going to put the next one on. Let me do this. You have to make sure it gets tacky, otherwise it's not going to work. So with this lash glue, you can tell when it's getting tacky because it kind of changes color, it gets blue. So that means it's getting tacky. Alright, so we're going to do the same way, put the tweezer right in the middle here. Yeah, and make sure that you get as close to your natural lash line and stick it on like that. Once it's on, you can fiddle about and pull it wherever you want to pull it. So I'm going to pull this end first. I like to do the end like that, and then I just simply fix the inner corner like that. And after you're done applying it, you make sure that it's really on by pushing it. It's like you're reinforcing it, so you push it into your lash line area. So they are both on. Sometimes the ends kind of stick up like this one. You can just add a little more glue. But yeah, they're on. I know the glue is showing right now, but it's going to dry very clear, so don't worry about that. Once they're on, you just apply some mascara. I'll be right back to apply my mascara. Okay, so once you think your lash glue is dry, you can go ahead and apply some more mascara. And that's just to, you know, make sure that the falsies and your natural lashes are all blended in nicely, because you don't want them to look as if, you know, separate. You want them to look as one. So you go ahead and blend them in with your mascara. And that's pretty much it. Some days I find it easier than others, but today it wasn't so bad because I used some really nice lashes. These are really nice to handle. They're easy to handle, they're easy to wear, they're very lightweight, and I would highly recommend that you try the Arde lashes if you are just starting out doing your own lashes, because these are very easy to use and they are just quite nice. They're not heavy, they're lightweight, they're beautiful lashes. So basically that's what my lashes look like when I've applied them. Okay, lovely. So I do hope you found this helpful. If you're just starting out putting on your own lashes, I hope you found this easy to follow. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section down below. I'm happy to help. If you have any requests, let me know as well in the comment section down below. If you like this video, thumbs up of course, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you do so before you leave. I would really appreciate that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.